So I'm going to do an EDC update for the month of January. By the way, Happy New Year's. So right now, main blade is the Canonian Ripple by CRKT. Has the pocket clip mounted tip down, because you can't mount tip up, which I prefer. It's flipper, no speed assist. See, it's fast though. So that's that. Next is my secondary blade, which is the Kershaw Scallion, which everyone knows that. Kershaw Scallion speed assist, no pocket clip, just rides in the fifth pocket of your jeans. Next is my wallet, which I bought for Christmas money. I got money in there. My school ID. I got my real ID right there. Walmart gift card. Other school ID. Has the magnetic money clip on the outside, so that goes in the back right. Next is the Streamlight keymate. I got this for Christmas. It's bright though, real bright for what it is. I don't use a pocket clip because it's really tight. I just use a size 2 S-beaner and clip it to my back belt loop, and I drape it down into the back right pocket. So that goes there. Next is Fisher Space Pen Bullet. You have to take notes. Actually, I'm going to a gun knife show tomorrow in a town near us, and I just made my list of all the knives I want to look at or buy. Next is my keys. I got a Leatherman it's an S4 Squirt. I got some keys, and then I have all that on a size 4 S-beater. So there's that. I think last is a little cheaper multi-tool. I don't think it's a brand or anything, but it has pliers in it and scissors. So that's that. Okay, so let's go over this again. We got the Levi wallet, that magnetic money clip. Kershaw Scallion, Canonian Ripple, keymate with a size 2 S-beaner, no name, multi-tool, small, Fisher Space Pen, Leatherman S4 Squirt on a size 2 S-beaner with keys. And last time I weighed it, it is around, what is it? A little over a pound altogether. And so back right, clips on the belt loop, back right. This goes fifth pocket of the jeans. This rides in the corner of the right front pocket. Back left, front left, back left, drapes down into the pocket. Okay, guys, that's the EDC update for the month of January. Thank you. Please subscribe. I think that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day.